2022 is here and it's a great year to make money. In this video, I will show you step by step with real examples how to make money dropshipping on eBay UK. Let's go. I'll cut to the chase. The steps that I will guide you through are creating an account on eBay UK, what items you should sell, how to list your first items, getting products to sell on eBay UK with Zeek Analytics, shipping and handling, plus costs and fees. So let's do this. The first step is to create an account on eBay UK. Let's actually jump into my screen for this example. I'm going to show you how to open up a new account on eBay UK. And it's pretty easy. You're going to go ahead and create an account just like you did with any of your eBays. And you're going to type in your information, your first name, your surname, email, password, and so on. And you're going to go through this process, which should be similar to you if you have opened up an eBay account for any other country. Once you have all of your information filled out, you're going to click register at the bottom. So now the only thing that we have to do is jump into account settings, which is over on the left-hand corner at the top. From here, we're going to go ahead and add a payment method. And once we add our payment method, this is when we actually have a legit account and we can actually start the work. When you have your account set up, you might wonder, what type of products should I sell? As a beginner, you want to sell things quickly to gain experience and increase your account credibility and limits for sale. However, I recommend focusing on secondhand products from your own home or from local retailers, even if it's just to make a sale and promote the account. After that, you can start working with your own suppliers, local retailers, or even drop shipping. By the way, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. It would make me happy. Thanks. The third step is to list your first items. If you want to sell products from your home, it's very important to pay attention to all of the details and to know how to prepare the listing the best way you can. For example, if the product is secondhand, you actually have to indicate all the defects if there are any. If the product is new, you have to make sure to indicate that as well. It is important to be accurate as possible when listing your first items. For that, we have a video that shows exactly how to list items on eBay. Check it out. The fourth step is to use Zeek Analytics to find winning products to sell on eBay UK. The best way to explain this step is to do real product research with you. So let's jump into my screen and I will give you real examples of what to sell on eBay UK, from using the market research tool up to the supplier to source our products. By the way, the link for Zeek Analytics is in the description. So an important tip is when you are a beginner on eBay, you just want to make a sale. And the reason for that is because you want to bring and make traffic in your account. So don't really look at making a profit at the beginning. It's just important to break even, sometimes maybe have a $2 to $3 loss, just so you can have the traffic in your store. This will allow you to increase your selling limits and all of your other eBay options. So when you're starting out, you want to list products that you actually have in your home, whether they be used or new. So we should check out some secondhand products. For this example, let's go ahead and search for, let's say, speakers set. And by looking at some of these products and their photos, you can see that these are secondhand items that are being sold from home. You can see that the secondhand market on eBay is a famous market in the world. Retail arbitrage and dropshipping are also great categories for eBay. So when selling used products, this is what your photos should look like. So besides the speakers that I'm sure most of us have laying around at home that we can sell as used products on eBay, I'm sure there are a few toys laying around as well. If not in your home, maybe in your garage. So let's actually check out that category as well. Here under the category, looking at the photos, everything looks new. Most of these items look like they come from China, and this is simple drop shipping. So as we saw with the speakers, that is basically the example that you want to take away from this. Look around your house, check out if you have any items laying around that are no longer in use, but are still in working condition. Take the photos and list them to your eBay as used items, and make sure in the description to describe every single detail about the item that you are selling. So let's now go ahead and find a basic item that we want to sell. And for this example, we can actually just search eBay. Here, we're going to go ahead and look for some laptop stands. You can see that they come in different colors, shapes, and sizes. And because I actually own the first one, let's go ahead and open this one up. Okay, so this particular item sold 318 times. This is a great listing. Here we have great item specifics, and this is what we need to actually do when we list items to eBay. Fill everything out. And of course, great description as well. So let's actually try to source this product using the dropshipping method. So in order to source a product like this on eBay, you can go ahead and select the title, right click, and then search for it on Google. We can also go ahead and use this title and reshape it to use it for different items that are similar to the one that's selling on eBay. And this is what you can do when you can't find the exact same item. Here you can see that we have this product on AliExpress and on Amazon. Okay, so the one on AliExpress is basically the same product, just a little bit of a different shape. And I think I saw the same exact item here on eBay when we scroll down, and yep, here it is, same item that is on AliExpress. So because this particular item is no longer available here on AliExpress, let's go ahead and continue our search. Here on Amazon UK, we have the exact same item. But of course, here on Amazon UK, you can see that the price is more expensive than on eBay. So what we want to do is check the size of this particular item because they do come in different sizes on eBay, and then compare to other suppliers. So here on eBay, you can see it's around 10 inches, so it's pretty small. So our next step is to find the item that's 10 inches as well. Let's actually go ahead and look for a different item that's actually in the same category. So it still will be a laptop stand adjustable, just not this particular item. And that's the thing when doing your research, when dropshipping, you don't want to stick with one item and try really hard to find it. If you can't find it in a couple of minutes, just go ahead and move on to the next item. So what we want to do here is just find a good supplier, try to source these particular items at great prices to make a profit. So let's go ahead and try this one just because I like its color. Again, we're going to go ahead and Google search it, scroll through Google, try to find the supplier or an image that's the same as the one on eBay. You can also source products using the EIN. Alright guys, so this is real-time sourcing. So you can see that you can't find the item right away. You can't find the supplier right away. Sometimes it takes a couple of minutes to do your own research. But let's go ahead and stick to this niche because I really like it, and I'm sure we can find something that's similar to this product. So now our main goal is just to find something that looks similar to some of these items. You can see that they're making great sales. The prices are okay. So there could be a profit to be made here. It's just important for us to find it with our supplier. Again, this is real-time sourcing, and this is why I always encourage you to do your own research because you never know what will come up and what you might find that's better than my find. So now let's go ahead and jump into the AliExpress website and search for this particular item. And in the search bar, we can go ahead and search for laptop stand. Okay, so we have this particular item here at around 11 pounds. So you can see that it's here on eBay selling for 19, almost 20. So no, it's not the same exact product, but as you can see here, we have basically the same concept of this product that we are searching for. And what you have to do is go through Zeek Analytics using the title builder and make the best title for this particular product because as you can see here, there are different variations. So it's important you have the best title to lure in customers. Now, as you can see on AliExpress, we found the same exact product that we were searching for earlier here from eBay. On eBay here, you can see it selling for £8, almost 9. On AliExpress, around £7. It's really important to find the best business model and then look for suppliers. If you can find local suppliers in the UK, that's even better for you. Now, the best way to find any product or any supplier is using Zeek Analytics. When you jump into the product research, you can type in any keywords that you want to search for. So, of course, we're going to continue with our searched keywords, which is laptop stand. And of course, you have to make sure that your Zeek settings are for the UK. So as I said previously, you can see that these keywords, which is laptop stand, have great sales earnings as well as successful listings, and the average product price is okay. And of course, when you scroll down to the product list, you can find and see all of the different items that are being sold on eBay UK using these particular keywords. You can see on the side that a lot of these sellers are coming from different countries, but it's basically China. And here, using the title builder in Zeek Analytics, you can build the best title for every single product that you want to sell. Here on the left side, you have the long tail keywords, the competition level, sales, and of course the score. And then you have the generic keywords and the amount of sales based on the search. And using the Zeek Title Builder is super easy. All you do is just click on the long tail keywords as well as the generic keywords to build a title. And of course, you can always customize it to your liking at the top. Not saying that this isn't a great video, but if you want to watch a great video that Nahar Geva, founder and CEO of Zeek Analytics, made on how to find profitable items to dropship in the UK, which talks about UK suppliers and more, please click on this link. Our fifth step is shipping and handling. And guess what? Let's jump back into my screen so I can explain this step with real examples. In this part, we're going to talk about the fees and how much it's going to cost us selling on eBay UK. So basically, we have two kinds of fees. Fees for private sellers and fees for business sellers. In this video, we're going to stick to talking about the private sellers because that's the majority of us. So what's most important to us are the final value fees. So as you can see, you pay one final value fee for items you sell on eBay, and you don't have to worry about third-party payment processing fees. And of course, the final value fee is calculated as 12.8% of the total amount of the sale. 12.8% is less than in the United States. So what this means is additionally to your expenses, you will have to add another 12.8%. And this fee does change depending on the category that you are selling in. And of course, this fee also depends on the items that you're selling and what sellers and suppliers you're using. So after we found our product, we listed it, we took the photo and all of that good stuff, item specifics all filled out, description. We sold the item. Now our next step is to actually send it out to our customer. And this all depends on our business model. So if we're choosing a local business model and we're actually shipping the items ourselves, this means we're going to be using local postage. And this will be costing us more, and we will have to know how to add it to our cost of price and etc. And this is just to break even, and maybe we can even charge your customers with the shipping. So for example, we have this item here and they offer free shipping. So it's most likely a drop shipper. So when we're drop shipping, we're just going to go ahead into our site of our supplier. For this example, we're going to go with AliExpress. We're going to go ahead and choose the product that we found previously, and we're going to make the purchase directly to our customer's name and all of the information that we got from our customer on eBay. So this means when you have everything filled out, this item will go to your customer's house, and that's it. So maybe you want to ship the item yourself. And again, this all depends on the location of where you are in the UK. And at this point, if you would like to do that, I actually recommend that you buy the shipping label from eBay themselves. And the reason being is because most likely it will cost you less. So eBay does really know how to make it easy for you. You can go ahead and buy your shipping label from eBay and you can sell all of your products from one place. They do also have a global shipping program. And they also do a really good job with managing returns. All right, guys, you're all set up. Go make that money.